What is going on, guys? Sergeant Tech Tip. So I'm going to be showing you how to add virtual memory to your computer. If you have a hard drive, this will work. If you have a solid state, this will not. I'm going to be using a USB thumb drive, so stay tuned to find out more. Alrighty, guys, so the video, I already do have a video up, and it's actually right here. I'm using my grandmother's laptop because I wanted to do it on hers before I give it back to her. I'm going to delete the partition anyway after, but as you can see, I have a good amount of views on this video, so that's why I want to make a new one. I'm probably going to do the same link. I'm going to do the same name. I'm going to copy and paste it, but I'm going to do 2018 instead, so you guys know that I have two versions. Now, the reason I'm redoing this video is because this guy commented, "I'm aware of everything you said here, but when I was younger, I was not aware of this. And this video was up 3 months ago, so apparently I wasn't actually that young. I was actually still 16, but beside the point. The point is you did not have to be like IT professional here. Yeah, no one cares if you're an IT professional, but thank you for showing me this. I just wanted to show you, I just wanted to let you know that you had no reason to say IT professional here, and I'm actually going to be showing you how to redo it, but I want to show you what it actually does, because I'm too lazy to remember. And I do actually remember, I have a horrible memory, but anyway, the computer is using it as virtual memory, so not RAM, even though it still is technically using it as RAM, but okay. So he's saying, think of it as a partition, a swap partition from Linux. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but the computer I don't understand this part. The computer stores temporary files on it. There should be a comma right there, not actually RAM, comma, or, well, I mean, that makes sense. Never mind. RAM important files such as flash, or no, sorry, as flash storage. I cannot read for some reason because I'm reading off the camera. Anyway, it says, this is not recommended for gaming or performance. So any of you who asked that question in my last video, this is not good for gaming, as I told you before. And apparently I said I was explaining it all wrong, which I kind of was and I kind of was not. So I'm actually going to be showing you how to redo it, and it does it as virtual memory. So I guess if you have a hard drive, this is better because, so what it does is it'll store like a software on here that you're using, or if you have like Microsoft Word installed, it'll store it on here so you guys can write it without having to have everything on the RAM. Especially if you have like a decent, if you have a decent size. Oh well, this is old. So 36 or what was this? I think it was 32 gigabyte flash drive. This will work perfectly. I'm not gonna leave it in here. I just wanted to show you guys that. So thank you for the views and stuff like that. So go ahead and plug your flash drive in. Now it's going to pop up. So I did actually have this as Ubuntu a while ago, but I flashed it. So I'm just going to show you how to format it just in case you don't know how to do so. You're going to go to this PC, and then you're going to right click. You're going to go to format right here. I do not like holding this camera and doing the mouse pad at the same time. So just go ahead and click start. I usually do this so it restores everything to whatever it was. Then I named it RAM so you guys can name it something else. Or you know what? Here, I'm going to make you guys all happy. I'm just going to name it VRAM, because it is technically virtual memory. So go ahead and click Start for it to format. Go ahead and click OK. This does not take long at all unless you disable Quick Format, which I do not recommend unless you're trying to get everything off it. And there's software out there that'll allow you to do it. Or maybe it's not. Oh, maybe it's only 30 gigs. I'm pretty sure it's 32 gigs, but a lot of it's been done because flash memory does die over time, trust me. Because my 64 gig flash drive is now 63 gigs because I used it many times and restarted it from building that PC, and I had it in this laptop, I had it in that MacBook over there. Yeah, so that's basically the reason. I've had it in multiple computers. So once it's done, you can go ahead and, right-click on it, go to Properties, and you're going to click on Ready Boost. So this is what it's going to do, is it's going to use it as, so it's going to use it, it's basically going to, it's going to say, speed up your system by utilizing, I think that says elitionizing the available space on this device. So it's just going to put files and stuff that you're doing on the flash drive, and that may be easy for most of you. So when this pops up, go ahead and go all the way up and just click use this device. Now I don't want any stupid comments below saying I'm not smart with this crap, because I've already had a few for my other videos. Anyway, so when it's done, it should fill up just enough, and you can go ahead and click it, and you see that Ready Boost is there. So that's actually how you do it, and by the way, Happy New Year, because it is 2018. So I'm actually going to be giving this to my grandmother, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. So you're going to go back to Properties. Say you used it for a while and you just don't want to use it anymore. You want to use it as a regular flash drive. Click Do Not Use This Device and go ahead and click Apply. So basically what it should do is it should go back to clear. Then you can format it to make sure there's nothing else on it. I don't think it leaves the Ready Boost software there, so it's actually gone. So that's how you do it. So, I mean, you know, I hope you guys enjoy the intro and outro. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if that sucks. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. You guys should see this tomorrow at 6 o'clock a.m. or 6:30 or even 5. I don't know yet. Still debating on what time I want to do it at. So, comment down below for future videos. If I get anything in the comments saying, oh, you're stupid, you don't know how to do this, I'm just going to delete the comment. I'm not going to deal with it. I understand this is the point of being a YouTuber, but I should not have to tolerate it. I'm 16, I've already had a tough life, I don't need this more. I'm actually doing something I enjoy. See you guys next video, and peace out.